You understand? Juu ukikumbuka vizuri ngoma yangu ya Hera Nyalo Sandi ili hit and I didn't even know anybody. Unaona? Si nilikuwa Kisumu. In fact ulikuwa hapa Nyalenda. You understand? So it's not where you are. It's what you put out there. It's the strategy. And mostly kenye natumiza sana, it's the people you know. Juu kuna hii mchezo kwa industry, I call it jokes, juu naweza kuwa na content fiti but you can't put it out there because una feel I'm from Kisumu. You understand? It is just a belief. Nikikwambia leo most artists wenye wako Nairobi wengi wanatoka Kisumu. Mbona? Hao ndio walimesi the whole of this thing ni hao walimesi. You understand? Walikuwa wana hit then wanafika Nairobi. You understand? So right now kama BRIZY lazima nipate hiyo challenge that nimehit, I'm a star, but niko tu hapo. Unaona, nime maintain the city, nime maintain the hood. Sijahama. Life imechange yes, lakini sijatoka hood, niko hood. You understand? So ni kitu yenye hata mtu ananiambia ni aje sikuje Nairobi. The question is nakuja kufanya nini Nairobi? Why do you know me to an extent that you can tell me nikuje Nairobi? It's because of my music, si ndio? And you got to know maybe through that music kama nilikuwa tu huko Kisumu. Why would you tell me to come to Nairobi? What are you planning to give me Nairobi that you can't give me where I am? You understand? So it's about the mindset. What you believe. Do you believe in what you have? Can you push it enough? Yes.
And do we have the main reason why people migrate?
Yes.
They say that there are no opportunities to make a musician to live well.
Yeah.
Do you think there are enough opportunities for an artist to earn comfortably while here?
No, the truth is, there are never opportunities. And if you want opportunities, go create your own world. Which I even doubt if you can create your own world, if you can't create opportunities for yourself. Opportunities are created, they are not given. They can't be granted, you understand? If you want an opportunity, create one. After you've created an opportunity, is when you have a right to say something. But before you create one, you don't have a right to anything. Understand? Because nobody's going to wake up every day, every morning to create opportunity for you. It takes you to wake up every day, every morning to create what you want. Because at the end of the day, we all know what we want in our daily life, right? Na kila mtu akona destiny yake. So nobody's going to create an opportunity for you. You create one for yourself and attract people, and then it becomes something. Yeah.
And then the issue of airplay, which is a very big issue. Our radio stations and our DJs, they prefer to play Ohangla and maybe gospel, some gospel. But the new age artists like you, there is allegation that you must bribe some DJs. What is your opinion? Is there enough airplay? And if there is not, what is the problem? Why are we not getting enough airplay?
No, we'll start where there is airplay. What I believe a good thing will always sell. And when we are talking about bad things, we don't talk about everybody, we talk about a group of people. Understand? I can say the airplay is good, and I can also say airplay is bad, because I believe the whole system was created for us, and it is for us to take our opinions there. You understand? But again, you understand that when it comes to music, it becomes a challenge. Why? Someone would prefer playing an out-country song than our own song. Like I told you, the only one thing that affects the whole music industry is ni vitu zingine ndogo ndogo, but probably just competition. Just everybody wants to be seen. People don't understand that everybody is special in their own way. And there are the birds, there are the rivers, and there are the roads. You understand? People don't want to play their role. You understand? If you're in a family of 5 and the firstborn is a pilot and the lastborn is a driver, my brother, these salaries are different. If the driver can't live within his limit, will die. Why? You will want to compete. You will want to be like the other. But the truth is, these two people are different. You understand? What am I saying? I'm saying that we need to learn how to play our role. If you are an artist, be an artist. If you are a promoter, be a promoter without looking sides. That's what you are. Kwa kazi kuna boss, kuna wafanyikazi. Kama wewe ni mfanyikazi, jua kukua mfanyikazi. Kama wewe ni boss, jua kukua boss. Usikuwe mfanyikazi ambaye anataka kukua boss. We don't know how to play our roles. And that is the main challenge actually. Yeah.
All right. Now, tukizingatia now solutions.
Yeah.
What do you think as an industry we need to do in order to match other towns like Mombasa, Nairobi?
No, first of all, tunafaa kujikubali. We need to accept ourselves. Na tusemenyaje tumeanguka for so long. Na it's time we do something different. I wish like most producers could have the mindset that I have. Unaona? Every day me I don't have that mind ya compete na mse, because I believe kila mtu ni special. What someone else can do, I cannot do. What I can do, someone else cannot do. So, I don't need to shine alone. We all need to shine, sindio? We need to learn how to give other people space and chance to show their abilities. You understand? That is firstly. Because ukinifinyilia niko huku chini. Na maybe what I have is greater. You're not helping me, you're killing me. Alafu nifinyilie, then nikuje niponyoke. What will you say? It will affect you, because hata mimi nikitoka, I'll remember that niaje so and so did this to me. Unaona? So at some point, there has to be love. There has to be honesty somewhere. You understand? And there has to be acceptance somewhere. The truth is, si wasanii wote wanaishi poa as we think.
Hata uko Nairobi.
Yeah, hakuna. This thing is about branding. How well do you brand yourself? How do you want your audience to recognize you? You understand? Si ati uko na domingi. Kuna wale wasanii hata walianza kitambo na wengine hawajamake. They're not living that good life you can say ati mtu anaishi poa. Because I believe a good life is, if you're talking about a good life is, nafaa kukuwa nimejengea madhe home, nyumba ingine fiti, atiseki nini. Unaona? Mimi mwenyewe silipi rent. Understand? But angalia wasanii vizuri. Check on to them. Very few artists own their own houses. So there is a difference with what we see on the media and actually what is happening. Sasa mtu mwenye ako Kisumu ataona msanii mwenye ako Nairobi afikirie mtu anaishi poa juu ameona professional picture. No, it's not that. It is the branding part. So usanii kuna vitu mingi that people needs to understand. You understand? Yeah, si story na kuishi poa. Juu ukisema wasanii wa Nairobi wanaishi poa, hapana. Kuna hadi wenye wanaishi vibaya, hata sisi huko Kisumu tunawashinda. You know? Yeah. It's about branding. Knowing what you want, the direction you are taking to get it. Yeah.
Now, if you go back, I want us to talk about yourself, kidogo. you can, for the people who are watching you for the first time,
Yes.
give us a small background about yourself, when you started the industry, and the name BRIZY ANNCHILD.
Okay.
Nimesikia mtu anasema Ann is your mother. I don't know. There's so many things about you.
Okay.
Mpaka penye umefika sasa hivi. To encourage this artist who is starting today.
Yeah.
Mwenye anafikiria ataingia kwa studio atoe ngoma moja hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, just give us your journey.
So first of all, my name is Felix Okoth, and music nilianza kitambo. It's not kitu nimeamka asubuhi nikaanza kufanya. I started music a very long time ago, way back in class 6, and I've said this several times. When I was in Form 2, that is when I started a studio, and my studio was not a studio. Studio ilikuwa kwa mind yangu, but personally I didn't have the equipment that I have now. You understand? The journey has been tough, so many challenges, but like I said before, ni kujiamini na kutrust the process and just not giving up. Unaona? Yeah, because nakumbuka nikianza kurecord nilikuwa na record na hii kichungu ya chai. I had this headphone yenye ilikuwa na ka microphone hapa hivi na iliharibika, so nikatoa hiyo microphone connected directly, you know, unaona? Na studio kubwa ziko na filter, nika create filter yangu na hiyo kichungu ya chai, you know. It is a process hadi ikafika point yenye sasa niko na studio. So the secret is don't give up. Put in effort. However little, it counts, because just make sure you're not the same as you were yesterday. You understand? That's the secret. Mtu asikweke na mbio ati do like someone is doing. No, that is not you, because hata Mungu anatu bless different times. Atakupea leo, anipea kesho. Anaweza tupea leo si wote, you understand? So it's just between you and your God mostly, but it's again about you personally. You understand? How sober you to tackle things you will hear, because ukianza kitu, people talk. Huyu ataenda wapi? Tumeona wangapi? For instance, like unaona kama Nyalenda, sidhani kama kuna msanii ashai hit venye nimehit. You understand? But nikianza walikuwa nasema like ataenda wapi? Tumeona wangapi? You know? Then right now imefika point yenye nimefika pale, they look at me and say niaje, walikuwa unaishi tu hapa. Sasa ni msanii mkubwa. You understand? I trusted the process na niliziba masikio kwa zile vitu watu walikuwa nasema. You understand? Even right now, watu watakupenda wote. You know, they will still talk. Kuna wenye wanasema ameshakuwa star, mbona ana do? You know, au wakiona you choose a simple life, you don't have money. Unaona, because wana believe once you're a star, wewe kwanza unafaa kuwa umeenda Nairobi, unaishi huko uonekani. You understand? But if you're weak emotionally, that thing will affect you. When you don't know what you want, it will affect you. But ukijikubali, the acceptance nilikuwa naongelea, ukijikubali na ujitambue vizuri, such things will not interfere with your journey, because every day as a person ukijijua, you know the steps you're making. You know? So that's it.
Alright. Na hujatuambia jina ya the name BRIZY ANNCHILD.
BRIZY ANNCHILD mazee, ilikuja nikiwa secondary. So unajua hapo form 2 kuna kuanga na mambo mingi. So hapo ndio sasa adoli inakuanga imeshika nini, unakuanga na type of songs unapenda na type of songs you don't like. By the way, when I started music nilikuwa najiita Feliton. Then nikajaribu nini, naona ni ngumu, unaona? But since ni kitu nilipenda kufanya, I kept on doing it. Ikifika form 2 hapo nikachange. Nasema since nilikuwa napenda ngoma za Chris Brown that time, mimi nitajiita BRIZY. You understand? Yeah, so ikakuwa Chris BRIZY. And then from high school ikakuwa tu BRIZY. Nikasema it's okay, watu washanijua na BRIZY. What do I do? I love the name also, and I love the artist. Na hakuna mtu anajiita BRIZY hapa Kenya, sijasikia msanii yeyote, so it was a good shot for me. Yeah.
So you can sign out with another a cappella.
Another kapen. Gigidi chong, no?
Ndoke nyaka edit. Alafu maybe yenye inajulikana.
Okay.
Ila nyasa ndiye ama ingine.
Adoga pako